Alright, I just decided to kind of make its own video. So then, the biggest thing I want to tell you is I really just want you for right now, before, so then you can finish 4.2. Where I want you to finish is, I just want you to work on this first part right here. And then hopefully, and this is the main part I want you to worry about filling out today or by Monday, so then whenever we come in and we can kind of talk about it, we can kind of go from there. So we've already talked about certain things, and I'll kind of fill you in to kind of go from there. So we've already talked about the special right triangles. So we talked yesterday about the 30, 60, 90. We talked about the 45, 45, 90. So we have 45 degrees right here. Okay, what you're going to do is, just like with the 30-degree angle, like it has pi over 6, like what the angle is in degrees. So we want to kind of take it from there, is, you know, kind of go from, if you notice what everything as far as the coordinates are concerned, and so whenever Kyler, you know, we already know the 45-degree angle, so we can fill in what is cosine, what is sine, and then, you know, just kind of look to see where everything is on, like with your coordinates, and like where that would put everything. So then remember, you know, this will tell you certain aspects of, remember what sine is. Remember, sine is your y value. Remember, the cosine is your x value. Those are going to come in handy whenever we deal with our coordinate. And try to fill this out the best you can, and kind of use a little bit of common sense. If you need to kind of sketch, like, where is 1/2 and about where negative 3/4 is, where's that going to put that on my graph, and kind of go from there. So it's not going to be something you're going to have all of it done, but just kind of see what you can do with certain aspects, just with the information that you have. You know, maybe, you know, like what is 45 degrees? You know, what is it in angle, radian angle measurement? So kind of go from there, just kind of play around with it, and notice, you know, it talks about the quadrant, or what axis is it on. So then you can kind of go from there, and but you know, you have plenty of things to do today. This is kind of one of the last things, if you have extra time, that sort of thing.